It's a 2018 Chevrolet Sonic. With a destination set for fun, this bold Sonic is begging to hit the road and never look back. It comes with great features you'll love: external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated bucket seats, driver and passenger front, seat-mounted and rear side impact airbags, doors and push-button start proximity key, air conditioning, inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, front-wheel drive with traction control, and automatic transmission. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.